In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a certificate of approval form in Docusign. Signing important documents electronically is becoming more popular as it's convenient and quick, and Docusign is one of the leaders in this space. Whether you're at home or on the go, Docusign allows you to add your official approval in just a few simple steps. First, we need to head over to the Docusign website. Simply open your internet browser and type in the web address, or use your preferred search engine to find Docusign. Once you've arrived at the website, look towards the upper right hand corner and you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your email and password, then click sign in. If you're new to Docusign, you'll need to create an account and follow their setup instructions, which are straightforward and user friendly. Now that we're logged in, let's proceed to the Docusign homepage. Once you're there, you will notice a variety of options and features that Docusign offers. Our focus today is just on signing that certificate of approval form, so let's get to it. Look for the Start button, which is easily noticeable on the dashboard. Give it a click. With that step completed, you'll be directed to a new page where you must locate the option labelled Needs to Sign. This is where all the documents requiring your signature will be listed. Click on Needs to Sign and you'll find a list of documents that need your attention. In this list, you should see your certificate of approval form waiting for you. Open the certificate of approval form by clicking on it. Once it's open, you'll see the areas highlighted where your signature is required. Before acting, ensure you double check the document to understand what you're signing. If everything looks in place, proceed to click on the signature area. Now, if this is your first time using Docusign, it will prompt you to adopt a signature. You can choose from a preset style or draw your own using your mouse or trackpad. Once you're satisfied with your signature, it's time to finalize the signing. Click Adopt and Sign and your signature will be placed onto the document. Finally, don't forget to add any other necessary details that the document might require. There might be fields for additional information, so make sure everything is filled out correctly. Once you're all set, the last step is to hit the Finish button. And there you go, your certificate of approval form has been signed. Thank you for joining me today. By following these easy steps, you can quickly and securely sign any important documents using Docusign. Remember, if you have any questions or run into issues, Docusign's support resources are incredibly helpful. Enjoy the convenience of electronic signatures with confidence, and I'll see you next time.